This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully maintained home conveniently located to golf course, interstates, beaches, naval bases. Remodeled eat-in kitchen and baths. Replaced vinyl windows throughout. Lovely oak floors. LG. Living room with gas fireplace. Dining has custom designed wainscoting. Added first floor sunroom and first floor primary bedroom and full bath in 2000. Home also has original second floor primary bedroom and full bath. Custom plantation shutters. Replaced stone driveway and gutters. Attached 1-car garage plus 3 to 4-car detached garage with workshop. No flood insurance required. Low utility bills. For more information, review the details below.